Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 2.5. Question number 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. First part 99 whole cube. So use identity a minus b whole cube. So now a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus a 3ab square. So now this identity use here. So now change into in simplest form 100 minus 1 whole cube. So a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 1. So now 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into a square means 100 square into 1 and plus 3 a 100 into 1 square. So 100 cube 0 0 0 0 minus 1 cube 1 minus 3 into 100 square is equal to this and plus 300 into 1. So now we can write this minus 1 minus 3 0 0 0. So take in 40 and plus 300. So now solve it. So now 0 0 0 0 0 and greater digit 0 0 0 and 0 3. So this is minus. So now 0 0 0 0 7 9 and also minus 1. So this is minus 1. So now 9 9 9 9 6 and 9 and plus 3. So this is 9 9 2 0 7 9. So 9 7 0 2 9 9. This is answer. And also 102 whole cube change into simplest form 100 plus 2 whole cube. So use this identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now this identity use here. This is a and this is b. So 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 300 square into 2 plus 3 into 100 into 2 square. So this is a cube 100 cube, b cube 2 cube and 3 a square means 100 square into b 2 plus 3 and 100 a for 100 and b 2 square. And also we can write 100 cube, this is and plus 8 plus 3 into this into 2 plus 3 into 100 into 4. and so this and plus 8 plus 3 and 4 0 and 3 2s are 6 and plus 3 4s are 12. So now solve it. So 1 0 0 0 0 and right here 8 and 6 0 0 0 0 6 and 1200 0 0 1 2. So this is 8 and 0 2 1 6 0 1. So now 1 0 6 1 2 0 8. This is answer. Question number third part of 7th question. So 998 whole cube. So now change into simplest form. So this is 1000 minus 2 whole cube. So now this identity use a minus b whole cube. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now this is a, this is b. So 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 square into 2 plus 3 into 1000 into 2 square. So now 1000 cube means this is minus 8 minus 3 into 1000 into 2 plus 3 into 1000 into 4. So now 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So minus 8 minus 6 0 0 0 0 0. So this is and plus 3 or 3s are 12,000. So now solve it. So this is, so now 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this and this and minus 6 0 0 0 0. So 0 and 0 6. So this is 0 and 0 and 0 0 0 and 0 4 9 minus 8. So this is minus 8. So 2 9 9 9 9 9 3 9 and 12. So 0 0 0 and 2 1. So 2 9 9 and 1 and 1 0 4 9. So this is 9401192. This is answer. Question number 8. Factorize each of the following. So now a cube b cube plus 3 square 3a square b plus 3ab square like a same identity use. So a plus b whole cube. So all these plus, so this is a plus b q, a q plus b q plus 3 a b in bracket a plus b. So this is also used here. So 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 3 times a into b, a for 2a and b for b, and in bracket, so a plus b 2a plus b. So now according to this, a cube 2a cube plus b cube, so b cube plus 3 times a into b, a into b. So 2a into b, 2a into b plus 2a plus b. So now you can write a plus b whole cube. So now use this 2a plus b whole cube. So also you can write 2a plus b and 2a plus b and 2a plus b. So this is answer. And also this is 2a का whole cube minus b का cube minus 3 into 2a into b in bracket 2a minus b. So now use this a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. So now multiply this in this. So 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12, a square and b, and also minus minus plus 3 2s are 6 and 6 ab square. So now also 2a minus b whole cube. So 2a minus b and 2a minus b and 2a minus b. So now this is answer. Question number 4th part. 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. So now use identity. So this is 8, this is 4a cube minus 3b cube and minus 3a for 4a into 3b in bracket 4a minus 3b. So multiply by this in this, so get this. So also, so 4a minus and 3b whole cube. Also change 4a minus 3b and 4a minus 3b and 4a minus 3b. So also use this 3p whole cube minus 1 upon 6 whole cube minus 3 times 3p 1 upon 6 in bracket 3p minus 1 upon 6. So this, so you can write 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. So also 3p minus 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6 and 3p minus 1 by 6. So multiply in this bracket open, so get this. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 upon 6. So this is this and this multiply, so 3 3 O P, and also this is a, use identity a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab square a square b plus 3ab square. Using this identity use here. So that's all. Thank you.